With a revenue of more than 20 billion euros from India alone in 2023, this brand is more than 160-year-old and can be found in almost every household in India. Tracing back to its founding in 1860 in the Netherlands, Philips started by lighting up homes with light bulbs and had since evolved into a leader across healthcare, consumer lifestyle and lighting solutions. In 1930, Philips recognized the vast potential of Indian market and began its venture by importing radios and lamps. This marked the beginning of long and fruitful relationship with one of the world's most diverse markets. From the onset, Philips focused on building brand trust through emphasizing quality, durability and reliability of their products. These values resonated deeply with Indian consumers who hold these attributes on high regard. The Philips Lal Batti campaign is a standout example of their early marketing efforts by promoting their bulbs as long-lasting and brighter. Philips aligned perfectly with the aspiration of rapidly developing nation, thereby solidifying its leadership in the lighting segment. Philips has effectively leveraged celebrity endorsement to enhance its connection with the Indian audience. Iconic cricketer Virat Kohli represents their male grooming product, while the popular actress Alia Bhatt promotes the beauty lineup. These partnerships have fortified Philips' trendy youthful image. Embracing the digital age, Philips' current marketing strategies utilize social media, influencer marketing, and target online advertising to engage a young, tech-savvy demographic. They focus on creating a seamless omni-channel experience that integrates online and offline interactions. Philips trump in the Indian stems from a commitment to localization, understanding and adapting to the needs of Indian market. The continual innovation in the product development have kept them ahead of competitors, supported by a robust distribution network ensuring wide accessibility across the country. In 2003, Philips reported a revenue of 20 billion euros from Indian operations alone, reflecting a year-on-year growth of 12%. Currently, they are holding over 20% of the market share in the consumer durable segment, a clear indicator of their popularity and success. Philips adapt use of social media shines through in campaigns like #PhilipsBreatheWell, which promotes healthy sleep habits through user-generated content and collaboration with sleep experts. This campaign tapped into the growing health-conscious segment of Indian consumers. The journey of Philips in India is an exemplary narrative of adaptation, innovation, and success. As they continue to push technological boundaries and prioritize customer needs, their future looks incredibly bright here. What Philips product do you use in your home? Let us know in the comment section below.